We'll guide you through how to save your Google Docs as a PDF. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Doc that you want to convert. Once your document is open, go to the top left corner and click on File in the menu. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Look for the Download option, which will have an arrow next to it indicating more choices. Hover over Download and a submenu will appear. From this list, you need to click on PDF Document. PDF. This action will immediately convert your document and start the download process. Depending on your browser settings, the PDF might automatically download to your default Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location to save it. Either way, make sure you know where it's saved for easy access. If you need to share the document, you can now easily attach the PDF to an email or upload it to a cloud service. This method ensures that your document's formatting remains consistent when viewed by others, regardless of the device or software they use. It's a handy way to make sure your document looks professional and polished. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.